What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add some subtitles or captions to your videos, especially for making short form content, but it works for any type of video content very easily using Adobe Premiere Pro's automatic transcription and caption creating sort of tool. So let's go ahead and get started. Start with, this is going to be just a little clip I put together just with some audio overlaid behind this gameplay footage. Hello everybody, this is a test video just to show you how easily you can add captions to your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. So we're just basically going to be adding captions over that. I made sure to just speak clearly in the video, so we shouldn't have to make too many edits. But if you do have to make edits because you get some words wrong, it's very easy to do, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go ahead, and you're going to need to access this text section right here for this transcription. If you don't have this up here on this menu, I believe you can go to Window and then come down and click Text, and it should open the same menu. Once you have the Text tab open, navigate to the Captions tab, and you should see some menu like this with a big blue button that says Create Transcription. If you don't see this, you can click Transcript and then the three dots, and you should be able to click Transcribe from there as well. We're going to go to Captions and click this blue button. Then it's going to open up this menu here. You don't really need to change anything. If you do have two separate speakers in the video and you want them to be separated for editing and have them be different colors or something, you can separate the speakers here. But in this case, it's just my voice, so we're going to click no. And then you can leave everything else the same and click transcribe. Of course, we have English as our language as well. And then we're just going to wait a couple seconds and it will generate. Now, as you can see, it has generated the text for us right here. Now, the interesting thing about this is if we click each word, it will actually skip the video to exactly where that word is being said automatically as it detected it. And it's very, very accurate in my experience. So you shouldn't really need to go in manually and adjust these too much. But if there is a word wrong or something, you might have to come in here and just click the word, and then you can just double click it, and you can actually just edit all of this text, and it will maintain the same spot in the video. So you shouldn't have to do too much in regards to that. What I like to do is watch the video once, and if you watch the text at the same time, it will highlight each word so you can make sure it has each word on time, because that's how it's going to appear on the screen when we do edit. So let's go ahead and give it a watch quickly. Hello everybody, this is a test video just to show you how easily you can add captions to your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. And it looks perfect, so we're going to be able to work with this very easily. The next step is to simply click this Create Captions CC button right here, and click that. And then here we're going to want to use the drop down. Now this is where you can get into some customization. For this example, I'm going to give you my recommended settings if you want really quick and concise one word sort of captions, but you can play around with this and get the look you want depending on if you're creating short form content or not. So for this instance, we're just going to leave everything up here style-wise the same. As you can see, it says none. We have no styles. We'll create that in a second. For maximum length and characters, for this type of style, I drag it all the way down. Same with the seconds. And I basically just have everything on the minimum, and then I change the lines to single. So it's just one single line of words per word that comes up on the screen. So we're just going to have that, create captions. Now, as you can see on the left, it has separated all of the words to their respective times. Using the settings we just set, which is like kind of a one word at a time, really quick format, which is good for short form content. Now, if we go ahead and skip the video ahead slightly, just so you can see them on screen. As you can see, the hello, the default caption subtitle style is really small, hard to see. So what we're going to do is go ahead and change that. We're going to start by just clicking on the first word here under the captions track in the sequence. And we're going to be working with hello initially. So let's go ahead and over here on the right to the Essential Graphics tab. If you don't have this, you should be able to, again, go to Window and open up Essential Graphics. And then once you click the word we're going to start with, which we can apply this style to all of them here in a second. We're going to go ahead and first just center it for this example, just for the sake of showing you what you can do. We're going to change the font to something else. I like Impact is a good one you should have. And then the size, let's bring the size up to, let's say 120. Should be pretty good. And I like to add a stroke and remove shadow. I like to add just a black stroke of about 6. That gives it a nice little look. But you can change the fill if you want to change the actual color of the text to a yellow or something like that. We'll just do that for this example, make it just a nice little bright yellow, black outline. So that's really it for the style. Now, if you want to save this style, you want to click Track Style, Create Style, or just this text style. So now we have created our custom text style, which keep in mind, this style only saves for this project down here in the project tab. So it's not going to be something you can just go back to the next time you create a video, unless you save this file and drag it into your next project, which you can definitely do, and it makes it a lot easier. Now, if you notice, we do have our hello, which is styled, but if we do drag forward, so it does appear that it has already applied our style to all of the captions, but if it does not, all you have to simply do, click this arrow right here beside where your track style is, and it'll say push style attributes, and you can leave it on all captions on track. Click OK, and then it will apply that style for all of these things all the way across the board. So now we can go ahead and watch our final video and see what we have. Hello everybody, this is a test video just to show you how easily you can add captions to your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. And just like that, we have a really quick, easy, engaging captioned or subtitled video. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to answer some of them. Subscribe and like for more content like this. See you guys next time.